Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are here at Magic Kingdom in Disney World, Florida. And I am going to take you on the ride, The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. And as a side note, if you want to meet Winnie the Pooh or Tigger, their character meet is right outside of the ride. So be sure to check out what times they're going to be there meeting with guests. And if you're in the standby queue for this ride, it is very interactive and there's even a little area that kids can take a break and play while you're still in line.
Do you know who Tigger is? Have you ever seen Tigger? We'll have to keep you safe.
It'll come down.
Hundred Acre Wood, the East Wind traded places.
Wednesday.
Food for food. If you ask me, he'll never reach that.
Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo. What's wrong with
For tradition, the pussycat went to see a beautiful beautiful goat and go aside. Oh, yes. Tigger, come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me, my little swing. Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for Heffalumps and Woozles. They steal honey. Steal honey?
Look, we can see yourself.
Why does the elephant have honey? He's being a fish. Oh, is it work? Look at Tigger.
Whistle in a minute, Piglet.
Last rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
And it's Disney, so you are let out into a gift shop. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video.